Welcome to Kirtiskitchenkatta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing very well during this pandemic. Today we are going to make Narali Bhat or coconut rice. It's a Maharashtrian delicacy usually made on the occasion of Rakshabandhan. So today we are going to make it in instant pot, and for that I'm going to put my instant pot on saute mode. If you see my previous videos, you will see how saute mode is turned on. So here I am taking 3 teaspoons of ghee, clarified butter. To that we are going to add like 2 or 3 of 3 small cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 long or cloves, and to that I'm going to add a few golden raisins. A quick stir. We don't need our instant pot to turn hot or anything because ghee is melted really quickly. Quick stir, and after that I am putting few cashews. It's around 2 tablespoons of it, and I'm adding 3.5 cups of jaggery. You can always change the quantity of jaggery as per your family's taste buds. This rice usually is very sweet, so I've added 3.5 cups of jaggery. In the recipe on my blog, you will see that I have put the 7 to 8 cardamoms, but today I don't have it, so I'm just using cardamom powder. It's about a teaspoon. To that I'm adding slivered almonds, couple of teaspoons of it, and a quick mix again. Now you can see the jaggery has started to melt. At this time I'm going to add 1.5 cups of coconut. This is frozen coconut. You can take fresh or frozen, and you don't need to really thaw it because the instant pot is going to do its work, so don't worry about thawing it. All this while the instant pot is on saute mode. A quick stir. To add 2 cups of basmati rice. This I soaked for an hour or so. Remove the water, and I have put it in this jaggery mixture. At this moment I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. My mother always says this pinch of salt helps to elevate any flavors from any sweet dish or any dessert, and yes, I agree. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of hot water. Don't double the water quantity because the jaggery usually melts, so we don't want a runny rice. And the last ingredient is half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and I'm going to put the lid. So it's on sealing mode. Off goes the saute mode. Manual for 7 minutes, and we'll come back. After 5-6 minutes, I'm just going to release the pressure. So you can see our yummy Narali Bhat is ready to serve, and I'm just going to take it in one of these molds. They look really beautiful. I like to put it on the mold. See, do you see a nice beautiful shape of it? So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. Happy cooking. Bye bye.